Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Welcome KKFL family to Learn 1 Idioms and Phrases Daily Series. Today, we'll explore the fun idiom break the ice and the useful phrase back to the drawing board. Get ready for some exciting examples with our young stars. First up, let's learn about the idiom break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social setting. For example, when new students join the class, the teacher breaks the ice by asking everyone to share their favorite hobby. Next, let's dive into the phrase back to the drawing board. This means starting over after a failure. Imagine a group of kids working on a science project that didn't go as planned. They laugh it off and decide to go back to the drawing board to come up with a new idea. Great job learning these idioms and phrases. Remember, break the ice to start conversations, and if things don't work out, go back to the drawing board. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. See you tomorrow for more fun idioms and phrases.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.